Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to play media from a USB flash drive on your XIAOMI A Pro TV. First, properly format the empty USB drive on your PC before uploading media so the TV reads it correctly. With the drive connected to your PC, right-click on it, select Format, then choose exFAT or FAT if exFAT isn't available, or the default if both are, and click Start, then OK. If you open the drive and see it's empty, you did it correctly. Now upload your videos or music to the drive. Then, insert it into your TV. The USB port is on the back side of the TV, accessible from the left edge above all other ports at the very top, and there's only one. Insert your USB drive, then select USB here. You'll be able to access all the data stored on the drive. Select Videos, choose a video to play, click Allow, and wait for it to start playing. This may not look like a typical video because it was recorded on the same TV, but it is a video I recorded and uploaded to this drive. To exit, press back twice. Then you can select images, music, or anything else you've uploaded and play it. When you're ready, eject your USB drive from the TV. That's it. Thanks for watching. If it helped, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave us a like in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.